Today we're going to do a feature on the element tin. We're going to cover the facts, the uses, what it is, where you find it, all the cool things you need to know about tin.
If you ever wanted to know all the facts about the element tin and where it came from and what it's used for, this is the video for you.
We have a couple of tin nuggies here and we're going to show you all of the facts. The melting point, where it came from, bronze, stannous chloride. It's going to be cool. Let's go.
What is tin? Tin is an element on the periodic table of elements. It has an atomic number of 50 and its symbol is Sn. It's relatively soft and melts at a pretty low temperature at around 232 degrees Celsius. It also has a signature sound that's called a tin cry. And when you hold it up to your ear, you can kind of hear it cracking when you bend it, and that's the crystals inside it breaking.
A couple of other facts about tin. Tin is the 49th most common element in the Earth's crust, which means there's a lot of it around here. Countries that have the most tin deposits within their borders would be places like China and Malaysia. Now, tin is not a naturally occurring element, which means you can't just go out and pick up a tin nuggie off of the ground. You actually have to extract it from different ores. Now, tin has a variety of uses, so you might notice tin is very shiny. This makes it ideal for electroplating. So if you just put a very, very thin layer of tin over top of a different substrate surface, you can polish it up so that it shines. This makes tin very valuable for when you want to make something look classy. Now, in order to do electroplating, you actually have to make up a solution of tin chloride or stannous chloride. And we actually made that, and I'll link it up here somewhere if you want to make some tin chloride yourself. Now, if it's not up here yet, it's because I haven't released the video yet, because sometimes my release schedule gets a little bit confusing. So why is it called Sn on the periodic table of elements? Well, Sn is the abbreviation of the word stannous, which is Latin for tin. So Sn is just kind of an antiquated word for the word tin. Yeah. Tin is non-toxic, but if you mix it with the wrong things, it can create toxic fumes. So don't eat it, even if it is in the shape of a nuggie.
So, what are some of the uses for tin? Well, as we mentioned before, it's very good for electroplating. It's very easy to make into tin chloride.
And that's right. Now, those are some of the practical applications for today, and some of the more modern applications are tin is required in lithium-ion batteries. So pretty much anything that you use has a little bit of tin in it. But the most important contribution that tin has made to humanity is bronze. Yes, bronze. You know the Bronze Age? Well, the Bronze Age is because tin is easy to get. So if you take 1/8 tin and 7/8 copper, mix them all together, and what do you get?
Bronze.
Bronze, that's right. And suddenly humanity was able to make casts and molds and weapons and hard metals. It was amazing. It was a good old time in the Bronze Age. Don't want to go there. But humanity isn't done with tin yet.
In the future, we could be using tin because of its superconductor properties.
Currently, it's a little bit disappointing more than what we thought it was going to be. It was one of the first elements researched into its superconductive properties, but it didn't quite pan out the way that we expected. This is Destructive Creativity. If you enjoy this episode, make sure you subscribe. We have science facts and element features like this one, and also lots of science experiments. We'll see you next time. I'm Jonathan.
And I'm Eliana.
Bye! Okay.